In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your support email address in Zoho Desk. This is a crucial step if you've recently changed your business email, or if you want to ensure that your customer support is aligned with your current company's branding and communication strategy. First, we'll start by navigating to the necessary section in Zoho Desk, where you can manage your support emails. Open your Zoho Desk dashboard and direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll find the Setup option. Click on Setup and then hover over Channels. From this drop-down menu, select Email. This will reveal various email-related settings, including your current support email address. Once you're in the email section, look for the Support Email Address option. Find the email address you wish to change. You'll see it displayed prominently on the screen. Click on this existing email address, and it should give you an option to edit. By clicking on Edit, you will gain access to modify the email settings. Now, type in the new email address you want to use as your support email. Take your time to ensure that you enter the email address correctly, as it's vital for maintaining seamless communication with your clients. Along with the email address, you should also type in a friendly name. This is essentially an alias or a display name that will show up to your clients when they receive email responses. It helps with brand recognition and ensures a personal touch. After you've successfully entered the new email address and the friendly name, you need to save the changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically toward the bottom of this section. Clicking on Save will confirm your updates and officially change your support email address. Once you've saved your changes, you should see a confirmation message pop up. This message box will indicate that your new support email address has been successfully updated. It's a good way to verify that your changes have been processed without any issues. If you don't see this message, make sure to double-check the steps to ensure everything was done correctly. And that's it. You've successfully updated your support email address in Zoho Desk. By keeping your contact information up to date, you can maintain efficient communication channels and provide optimal service to your customers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on maximizing your use of Zoho Desk and other CRM tools. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.